window, only door. Window. Here it's full of garbage. Yes! Wala kayo, hindi kayo pwede umangat. Ako, angat na. Ang mga Amerikano.
Bunjot! Bunjot! Bunjot!
Pare, pare!
JR, humiti ka, JR. Kinukunan ka naman. Ayaw kang tumawi. Humiti ka. Pustahan.
But what is this here? Why are all these sacks here?
No, just only sun. Because when rain comes or high tide, there are lots of water here. Something like a bridge. Something
I
like
see.
that.